day, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I open my eyes, stretch my body, and take a deep breath. I feel calm and fresh. First, I make my bed and clean my room. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face with cold water. After that, I get dressed and go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of warm water and prepare a simple breakfast. Usually, I eat bread, eggs, and fruit. While eating, I think about my plans for the day. I feel positive and ready. At 8 o'clock, I start my work or studies. I focus on my tasks and try to do my best. When I feel tired, I take a short break and relax my mind. In the afternoon, I eat lunch and talk with my family or friends. In the evening, I go for a short walk. I enjoy the fresh air and the quiet time. After dinner, I read a book or practice speaking English. Before sleeping, I think about my day and feel thankful. Then I go to bed and rest well for the next day. Thanks for watching. Stay with us for getting new stories.